Yo, so story time. Okay, so this one is brought to you by the dumbassery of my brother Isaac. I love you, Isaac, but okay, so basically, what this man did, right? Okay, so he did not know how to drive at this time, right? But then his girl, right, sent him a text, a very dangerous text that you can send to a dude. I'll let you hit it from behind if you catch my drift. Is what she texted him. And then also said her parents were home. So what does this man do? Steals our mom's car and drives 60 miles down the highway. Not 60 miles, 6 miles per hour. And he didn't have a driver's license. And then he crashes the car on the interstate. And then tries to huff it to the girl. So long story short, think with your head, not your head, okay? With that, remember to like and subscribe, I guess, if you want to see more of my chaotic stories, because I got a lot. Goodbye.